Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the profile section on your account on Wattpad easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and next click on your profile icon up here, then go to the settings, and now as you see here you will find the profile and account notifications and the reading preferences, the dark mode. So this is the settings section, so you can manage it as you like, as you want. So here you can change as you see, this is the profile section, so you can change the username, the full name, the pronouns, whatever you want. So that's it, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.